cause I don't. I only talk to the microphone, to a dope beat with some sad notes. I only wanna be alone. Sometimes I won't smile, and sometimes I might cry, and sometimes I feel like a child when I wonder why we have all these emotions, why time moves slow when you don't feel how you're supposed to. But I don't know how I'm supposed to go about this. Heart is hurting bad, but I just think I'll post about it. Settling for less instead of trying to be astounding. But if I want it so bad, then why don't I really wanna reach for it? When I get my grandkids sitting around me for a story, will I tell them that I shoulda, coulda, woulda been important? Or will I tell them that I tried? See my heart through all these broken mirrors, and maybe I could sing for you. See my heart through my broken spirit, and maybe I'll be there for you, waiting through the lemon haze. I'll be there for you through the lemon haze. Who wants me? Cause I don't. Nor does anybody in my phone. No replies, no text back. Maybe I don't wanna be alone. Can anybody hear me? Or am I talking to myself? Is anybody with me? Or am I walking by myself? I know you wish the best for me, but I gotta know if you'll do this for me. See my